Hey folks, welcome to Investments Made Easy. It's just that, it's investments made easy. Simple terms so the average Joe can understand. Okay, let's just jump into it. We're going to start off with Coke. Formulated in 1886 by a pharmacist. Who knew? With over 1.9 billion servings globally a day, you can't go wrong. So one thing I do want to cover, stock symbol KO is the parent company. The distributors or bottlers, COKE. There is a difference. If you're afraid to invest in Coke, then the stock market is not for you. I'm not even going to cover financials. Just know that you should have Coke in your portfolio. I personally like KO and COKE. I think the parent company and the bottlers, the distributors, both do great. One is going to cost more than the other. So let's actually go in and take a look here. How much? Okay, so the bottlers, distributors, COKE, ticker symbol, is going to run you a little over $600, whereas KO is going to run you about $58, $59. Both of them, you'll get a small return, a small dividend quarterly, and your money's safe with both of them. And the distributors have really been rising these past couple months, getting over the coronavirus. Now that people are getting out and they're drinking Coke at the restaurants and they're going to their favorite places and they're socializing. The virus does. It puts a kink in everything. Let's move on to Hershey. Ticker symbol HSY. Hershey is another one. Have it in your portfolio. Hershey is great. If you've ever been to the factory in Pennsylvania, I highly recommend it. Those that you have been, you know what I'm talking about. Let's pull that up. Hershey. Trading up. Cannot be nervous or afraid to invest in Hershey. Let's get into Tesla. Of course, I knew over the weekend, Sunday, there was news. They had record-breaking production. The quarterly sales were up. So come Monday morning, sales were going up before the market even opened this morning. So that's up and up. I expect to get a couple more $100 in 2022 out of this stock. If you want to buy into some Tesla, make a few $100 per share, you know, it's be a good way to go. You will not receive a dividend with Tesla, of course. Our money goes into R&D and expansion. DraftKings is currently, so it's trading at $27.93. Following DraftKings since it was like around $60. It's going down and down and down. I was never on board with it. Once it got to around 40, one of my eyebrows raised up. I've been watching it. It's broken 30. It's been under 30 for a while. I like DraftKings just because there's nowhere else to go up. So we'll show you. Okay, look at this DraftKings. Okay, we got an average price target of 51, 76 high, and even a 34 low. 84% upside potential. Not bad, not too bad. Okay, good rule of thumb, some rules for you. Rules to live by. Never invest in anything you do not know. So that's number one. Never invest in anything you know nothing about. Common sense, but please do it or don't do it. Number two, Chinese stocks are really risky right now. I would not recommend it. Be cautious. Try to avoid it. There's too much going on in China. I don't trust it. It's not worth the risk to me. Number three, do your own due diligence. Do your own due diligence. It brings you right back to number one. You do enough research, you're going to know about something. If you don't know about something, do more and more research until you feel confident to make a decision whether you're going to invest or you're not going to invest. Which brings you to number four. If it doesn't make sense, don't invest. Do enough research to where you know what your decision is going to be, yes or no. You can get people telling you that this company, this stock is going to be great. It's this, it's that. If it doesn't make sense to you, do more research. The more convincing someone it is and you're still not convinced, do more research until you agree with them. If you don't agree with them, then don't make the investment. Just do not do it. It has to make sense to you. It's your money. Okay, folks, that's Investments Made Easy. Let's get out there and grow those portfolios.